For years, hustle culture dominated professional advice. Work more. Sleep less. Always be building. Always be grinding. Success was framed as exhaustion. But something is shifting. Burnout is rising. Mental fatigue is more visible. High performers are questioning sustainability. The reality is this: extreme hustle can create short-term gains, but it rarely creates long-term stability. Cognitive performance depends on energy management. Creativity depends on rest. Strategic thinking depends on mental clarity. In high-skill careers like technology, constant exhaustion reduces output quality. We are beginning to see a new narrative emerge. Consistency over chaos. Deep focus over constant multitasking. Long-term pacing over short-term spikes. This does not mean ambition is dying. It means optimization is replacing obsession. The highest performers in complex fields are not those who work the longest hours. They are those who think the clearest. The market is slowly recognizing that sustainable performance beats burnout. Hustle culture may not disappear entirely, but its dominance is weakening. And in its place, disciplined consistency is becoming the new advantage.